Okay, the people, so we are gonna start with the code forces problem. So I have already chosen a problem. That problem is from the div2 context, like problem A. So like I have chosen the easiest problem because it has been a while I have not solved a code forces problem. So let me try my hands on the easy problem first, and later on we will increase the difficulty level. Cool. So the problem is this, which you will be able to see on your screen. It is destroying bridges. Let's see what this problem says. So we have there are n islands which are numbered from 1 to n. Initially every pair of islands is connected by a bridge. Okay, hence there are a total of n into n minus 1 by 2 bridges. Perfect. Perfect. uh, Ever Yule, okay, Ever Yule lives on island 1 and enjoys visiting the other islands using bridges. Dominator has the power to destroy at most k bridges, okay, to minimize the number of islands that Ever Yule can reach using bridges. Okay, find the minimum number of islands including island 1 that Ever Yule can visit if Dominator destroys the bridges optimally. Okay. Each test contains multiple test cases. The first line contains a single integer t, the number of test cases. The description of the test cases follows. The first and only line of each test case contains two integers, the number of islands and the maximum number of islands that Dominator can destroy, which is k. Number of islands can be at max 100, and k obviously would be smaller than n into n minus 1 by 2. Okay. Okay, k bridges. Okay, for each test case output the minimum number of the islands that Ever Yule can visit if Dominator destroys the bridge optimally. Okay, I perfectly understood this problem statements. Let's first dry run the sample test cases. From there we get the intuition of how we are gonna solve this problem. So if we look at this test scenario, we have 6 test cases. In the first one we have the two islands means we have only one bridge, and this Dominator can't destroy any bridge. So obviously the Ever Yule can go to both of the islands, so its answer would be 2. In the second scenario, the islands are 2, but the Dominator can destroy one bridge. He will destroy the bridge itself. So the Ever Yule will always be on the island 1, and there is no other way to go to another island because there was only one bridge and that is also destroyed. Nice. So only one island is there. If we see the problem, if we see the third test cases here, the number of islands are 4. Cool. And the maximum bridge which can be destroyed are 1. Okay, ठीक है. So what Dominator will be do? Dominator will try to destroy the first bridge. Okay, so let's draw it on the one note and see this example, this 4 and 1. Okay, okay, let's make yep. Okay, so we have the number of islands are 4 and the maximum number of bridges which can be destroyed are 1. So let's consider we have island 1 which is connected to another 3 islands. That's the scene. Island 2 is connected to 3 and island 2 is also connected to 4, and island 3 is simply connected to 4. So this is the actual graph. So number of bridges will be, if we calculate this by formula also, it will be 4 into 3 by 2, which is 6. So here you will see 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, in total 6 bridges are there. Now what if the Dominator tries to destroy this bridge between 1 and 2? So definitely Ever Yule will not be able to go from 1 to 2, but still he would be able to go from 1 to 3 and then 1 to 4. Okay, and then from 4 it would be able to go to 2. From 4 he would be able to go to 2. Okay, or from 3 also he would be able to go to 2. So again, if we if nothing like it is not impact the number of bridges. Okay. What if ever you will delete ever you will destroy this bridge 1 and 3? Again the same, no impact. If this one also deleted, again the same. If 3 2 and 4 1 is also deleted, no, nothing. So at any scenario, Avril would be able to travel all the 4 islands, and that is also here. See, 4 is there, but see, in this scenario 5 and 10, the answer is 5 only. Let's take this 4 and 4. Let's take this simpler test case, 4 and 4 now. Okay, 4 and 4. So we have bridge 1, bridge 2, bridge 3, bridge 4. Okay, yep, fourth bridge. Definitely the dominator will try to destroy these bridges. So now the Everlew is not able to go to any of the bridge, so it will be 1 only. Okay, so like what I'm thinking is, it is better to destroy those bridges which are closest to the island number 1. So these three bridges, why it is not, what is trying, what's going on? Okay, so these three bridges so the better the intuition is to first delete those bridges which are very closest to the island number 1. These three bridges are closest to island number 1. Okay, so it's better to delete any of them, like I delete these, I delete these, I delete these. If I am able to delete all of them now, so all of them is, if number of bridges are okay, if number of bridges are if number of bridges which can be destroyed are more than n minus 1, if k is more than n minus 1, then answer would be 1 always. Okay, that's the one case. If the k is greater than n minus 1, then answer would be 1 always. Okay, otherwise what we can do is we can destroy as many as we can. Okay, let's say we destroy it, but again from there it is possible to go to everywhere. Okay, so I think the answer would be either 1 or n, either 1 or n. Let's say I destroyed this, I did not destroy that bridge, so I can go from bridge island 1 to island 4. Now we know, because this graph is interconnected, every node is connected to every other node. So from this 4 I can go to any others 2 nodes. So answer would be always 1, n number of nodes. If we notice here, in this scenario 2 nodes are there and k is 0. Okay, so answer is 2, which is n. Okay, here it is 1, which is n minus 1, so it is 1. Here it is not n minus 1, it is less than n minus 1, so it is 4. Here it is 10, which is greater than n minus 1. Here it is, you can see, n minus 1, which is less than, which is 4. So so the number as 3, so it would be 5 and it would be 1. Yes, same, exactly. So that's a very simple thing. Okay, so let's try to first go to this custom test. Okay, we need to input only n and k. Okay, first is n, then it is k. Okay, I don't know. I think this code I wrote 1 year back, because it has let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, now I think it's perfectly fine. So let me include the library first, input output stream. We are using the namespace, which is the standard namespace, and here let me write the main function. Okay, we are given the test cases. First input those test cases. Thereafter we need to input two things. First is the number of islands, let represent island by n. Then the number of bridges a destroyer, a dominator can destroy, basically not destroyer, which is k. So thing is, if the number of bridges which can be destroyed are greater than n minus 1, then obviously Averule does not have any option apart from that island itself. So the output would be 1, otherwise the output would be n always. Okay, C out and L return 0. Now let me test this problem on this sample test cases. It's 214151. It's 214151 exactly. Now let me submit this. Control C. Wait a little bit, it's working. Yes, paste it and then try to submit. Accepted. See, I submitted these 3 activities long back on 22nd December. Oh man, really? Just forgot 22nd December. Before that I submitted on 30th June. See, 30th June, like it has been, just remove that 22nd December problem submission. Just remove that 22nd December submission. Otherwise it has been almost a year. I was too consistent before. See on April month, see April 13, 14, I was daily doing this Codeforces thing. Okay, nice. So this was I think this is the very basic problem like which I did. Now in the second video I will try to solve the problem in the range from 1000 to 1200. Later on similarly, like we will increase the difficulty level and try to see if I am able to do it or not. Bye everyone.